Namaskar. So, what to expect after a delivery? Normally, women have some kind of vaginal discharge after a cesarean or a vaginal delivery. The nature of the discharge changes from bloody initially to pinkish to maybe mucoid and then whitish discharge. Women may also experience some kind of after pains, which are like cramp like pains, which happen because the uterus contracts to return back to its normal size. Women may also expect to have tender or sore breasts or nipples because of breastfeeding, and some kind of cold compresses or hot fomentation may help relieve that pain. Also, you could experience some amount of swelling over your feet, which is because of the blood in the uteroplacental circulation returning back to the mother's circulation. This swelling usually resolves in a couple of weeks' time. Also, a very common condition after delivery is known as baby blues or postpartum blues. This is because of sudden cessation of hormones after delivery, and women may experience some kind of sleeplessness or mood swings, etc. But this normally eases out with time and with emotional support. So take care and happy parenting. Thank you.